Okay, we're going to continue with number 6. Okay, number 6 says, use any place value strategy to multiply or divide, and they give us on A, it says 5,492 divided by 9. Okay, I could just write this out in standard form if I wanted to. Just like that. And I could say, well, I know I cannot make any groups of 9 with 5, so I have to go to 54. Okay, so how many groups of that can I make, or how many times can it go into 54? It goes in 6 times, because 6 times 9 is 54. Bring down my 9. Well, let's see. 9 times what gives me 9? Just 1. Okay, and then I can't do anything. I can't make 9. 2 isn't divisible by 9, so I'm going to put 0. 9 times 0 is 0, with 2 left over, remainder 2. Okay, remember you can check by saying 610 times 9, 0, 9, 5, 4, and then add in my 2 from the remainder. Does it check out? Yes, it does. Okay, and then B says 34 times 18. Okay, we're going to use this strategy where we're going to break it apart a little bit. So we're going to break up 34 into 30 and 4, and 18 into 10 and 8. Okay, and this is going to be like 30 times 10, or 3 10s times 1 10, which I know is going to be 300, because it's 3 times 1, and then it's 2 10s together. Okay, and then it's 4 times 10. Okay, that's 4 1s times 1 10 makes 40. And then I'm going to do 30 times 8. That's 3 10s times 8 1s. Sorry. And then 8 times 3, I know that's 24, but we're talking about multiplying it by 10. So I'm going to put my 0, 240. 4 times 8, that's just regular, 32. Okay, this is the same thing as just breaking it up like this. I'm saying that it's 30 times 10 plus 4 times 10 plus 30 times 8 plus 4 times 8. And then I solved each of those. That's 300 plus 40 plus 240 plus 32. Okay, and then when I add all those together, I might even want to add them a section at a time. So I could say like 240 plus 40, well, that's 280. And then I could put these two together and say, well, I could just add, that's 300. I could add 3 to my hundreds place. So that's 580 plus 32. And then just add the last part. That's 612. So 34 times 18 is 612. Okay, let's look at a couple more here. Number 7 says, Mrs. Farnham is getting new carpet for her classroom. Her classroom is 18 meters long and 12 meters wide. How many square meters of carpet does she need? Use estimation to assess the reasonableness of your answer. So we're going to do this same kind of strategy here with the 18 meters long and 12 wide. So you're going to make your squares. Think about what goes in each of those. What's going to go up here? You're going to do your 10 and your 8 and your 10 and your 2. And then each box represents a multiplication problem. So this is like 10 times 10, or 110 times 110, which we know is 100. And this one's like 10 times 8. Hopefully you know that's 80. This one's like 10 times 2. Hopefully you know that's 20. And the final one is just 8 ones times 2 ones. That's 16. So then basically what I've done is I've broken up this problem into 10 times 10 plus 10 times 8 plus 10 times 2 plus 8 times 2. And then we solved each one. We said that was 100 and this one was 80 and that one was 20 and this one was 16. And then when you add all of those together, we get 216. Okay, but that's not all. It says how many square meters of carpet does she need? We can say 216, right? But it says use estimation to assess the reasonableness. Well, I can check to see if it's reasonable because 18 is close to 20, 12 is close to 10. If I multiplied those two together, sorry, I was making sure I was doing the right one. That'd be 200, which is close to 216, right? So if I'm estimating. So then obviously we need to write it in an answer form. So we're going to say Mrs. Farnham needs, remember our answer was 216 and they said square meters. So we're going to put square meters of carpet. And then it also says use estimation to assess the reasonableness of your answer. So we're going to say the answer is reasonable because, what did we just say? 20 meters times 10 meters equals 200 square meters. Which is close to the answer of 216 square meters that we ended up with, right?